Hi guys,
Wanna be free of this heart.
good morning guys, how you doing guys? Yeah, seriously, it's been long I've filmed a video. I don't know why. I've just been down. Like in the month of May, I was busy with exams. I was writing my master's exams, and I just don't want to combine two things because it's actually a different field that I'm not really used to, and I have to like study it like a lot. So it was, I just don't want to like combine because I have to like face my studies. Then now I'm done. Month of June, I was busy with Jerrick's birthday. I was busy with so many weddings. Yeah, I couldn't vlog everything. Even like like Jerrick's birthday, I couldn't even vlog it properly. It was my sister that actually helped me to vlog because I was just not in the mood of vlogging or carrying memory my camera or something. Guys, seriously, yeah, today is a new vlog. A lot of things has actually happened from the between the month of May till July. Today is July 2. My birthday is in few days and I'm so happy about that. Guys, this birthday I was like, maybe I'll travel, but fingers crossed. I don't even know. I don't even know if I want to travel. Like, so many things are just going on presently in my life, and I'm so grateful to God for giving me that opportunity to be able to see those things happening in my life. Yeah, guys, today what I want to do is that today is July 2. Jerrick's birthday was July 14, but we did a celebration around July, I think. Oh yeah, we did a celebration July 16, June 16 rather. So it's like 2 weeks now since Jerrick's birthday, and seriously guys, I've not opened his gift. He was giving a lot of gift. I don't know, I've not even opened anything. Like, everything is just dumped on the bed. I lost some gift. Not like I lost them, I can't find some because I know somebody gave me some. People gave me some, I don't even know where I put them. But this is what I can find at this moment, guys. I'll show you what I have, and I just want to like unbox them and see what is inside with you guys. Yeah, so the first thing I want to say is that, guys, so what happened was during Zurich's birthday, the operator told me that there will be a section where they will put like gifts and everything for display. So personally, I went to the market to shop gifts for my baby, so I bought some things too for him, and I've been doing the unboxing. That's weird, right? Yeah. So some of the things I got for him was one of these. Guys, I may not even find everything because I don't know, like, everywhere is just disorganized. My life is not proper because I've been traveling to Lagos and coming back on and off, so I've not really like say I've been stable. Yeah, so this is what I got for my baby boy for his birthday. Apart from that, that toy car he got from us. So I personally got this for him, and I want to know what's inside. You know, I think I will need like blade to open some of these things. I just bought them and I packed them, and yeah, this is yeah, this is like a sports Avengers 8 game, blah blah blah. And I just want to see what is inside to see. No, I'm not going to open. Hey, I ripped this one off. Oh, okay. I don't know. I don't really think I'm interested in this. Anyways, I don't think I'm interested in it. Yeah, you have to like set it up, and maybe when he's older, like some of these things, they said this one is 3 plus, but I couldn't find gift for 1 plus. So most things are just 3 plus. I don't know why I couldn't find gift. I went to ShopRite, I went to, yeah, so many things. This one is yeah, I got this too from him as well. Yeah, and I got this also for him. This is like first word. I think this is actually something is going to need. This is going to be useful for him. I don't know, actually. I just packed gift when I was, oh, this is soon. I think I've seen something like this before. We have trained zebra panda. Yeah, it's just cards. My baby has never been to the beach before, so maybe it's one now. Maybe anytime you want to go. This is like a beach toy. It's like it has like a bucket and whatever. I should buy this. This is like a little should I call it boat, or what should I call this? Yeah, it's actually like a beach toy too. So when it goes to the beach, you can actually play with this. Just using this to rip it up. Oh, this is so cute. Oops, this is so cute. I think I'm going to like set it up. Yeah, it's so cute. I don't know how, I think I have to like, okay, yeah, I don't know though, but it's not going to, okay, I think it's like this. Maybe something I'm just going to put it in, but it's cute. It's just toys. So I bought this. I don't know why it has moved from the something. So this is like, it has battery. I don't know, is that everything that is inside it? Yeah, obviously. So it has battery. I'm going to put battery, and I think they said it's going to like be doing the bubbles. It's like bubble something something something. Yeah, my baby likes to pop bubbles, so it's actually, I think in it. So these are what I got, I think. So I'm not so sure. Okay, so this is what people gave him for his birthday. He got this book, Happy Birthday to You book, and this is from Chris and Mama. Thank you so much, Chris. Thank you so much, Mama. Yeah, he's going to need this. He's going to read. My baby is going to be a scholar. I don't know, I'm always laughing on little things. Yeah, but my baby is going to be a scholar. What else? Yeah. Also, this is also from Chris and Mama. It's a splash pad. Yeah. Thank you so much for this. Yeah, he got this too. This is like a perf, and I feel like I should smell this now. So this perf is from Angela. Angela is our wifey. You know those moments that they'll be giving their son wife already. Yeah, I just want to smell this. So you know the theme of our birthday is teddy bear. So he gave him this baby bear, and so cute. And I think it's just so cute. I love this. I love color. Okay, the camera is there. It's so cute, guys. I love this. Wow, it's so cute. I love it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Angela. Massive bag. Guys, let me just show you. This is what Dami got. Guys, this is a lot. Dami are not prefer actually, but this is actually a lot of stuff. So first thing, okay, I got more stuff, but I will unbox that one later. First thing, it has, she put all the shuku there. But it's so cute. So we have some nice clothes. Okay, I don't know if this one is supposed to be connected. Okay, it's like, this is like 2-piece. So, but all this is not going to size him yet because it's not as big as this. Yeah, so we are going to keep this. I love this. I love this. It's so nice. I love the color. Yeah, it's going to suit us, like us. Yeah. So this is nice. This is for 1 year to 2 years. So obviously it's going to grow into this very soon. Yeah, we have more clothes again. So all the shuku, right? But it's so cute. I love it. Like, we have this too. This is another 2-piece, and yeah, my baby is due for vacation now. So if he's going for vacation, this is what we are carrying. Yeah, so these 2 pieces are so cute. I love these, and I love the color too as well. Yeah, so more clothes. So another set of round necks, and yeah, another set of round necks, which is going to grow into very soon. All these things cannot size him yet. Yeah, this jean is so cute. I love the color. It's so cute and nice. Yeah, this is for 12 to 18 months, but I don't think this can size Jerrick'S. It's a bit big. It can't, but yeah, it's nice. So I think we have more clothes. God, this is a lot. We have more clothes. Yeah. So I think this is another. Is it two? I don't know how this comes. Okay, I think this is like 3 piece. So you can either rock this and this, or rock this with this. Yeah. So it's a 3-piece set, and it's so cute. This is the trouser, the cute trouser at the back. Apparently, I'm not going to buy any clothes again. For now, like when it's like I'm still going to buy clothes obviously, but like I think now we have more clothes again. Oh, here's this hoodie. Oh, this is like a slipsuit. Oh, this can size him now. And guys, look at the it's so cute. It's so cute. It's so cute, guys. Yeah, I love this. Everything is just so cute. Yeah. So that is the reason why I don't even buy clothes with mom, because this is another one. Oh, baby library. They want their baby to be a scholar, so he has to read. So this is another gift inside the bag. Guys, this is really, really a lot. He has books. Okay. Guys, we have this ball. Guys, I love this. I think everybody can even play with this, not only Jerrick. I'm such a baby. I know, right? Yeah, so there is this cute ball inside also. I love this too. Actually, guys, I've actually peeped through this thing because it was so massive. And I was like, what is it? I want to check. So I know some stuff, but there are some stuffs I did not even bother to open because I want to be surprised when I keep opening them. Yeah, this ball is so big. And yeah, they got this for him too. And this is so cute too. I love this too as well. But it's going to take like, I don't know if this can size him yet. I don't even know his size. I'm not so sure. But this is size 6. But yeah, it's a Crocs and it's lovely. It's lovely and sweet and nice. I love this. Okay. Oh, there is this. Mostly for young children due to. Okay. I don't know what this is used for. Maybe I will ask her. Giant bag. I don't know what this is used for, but yeah, this is inside. Maybe I will ask her. I don't know. Oh yeah, this is inside also. And there is this, guys. I think this is going to be useful very soon. Like very, very soon. Jerrick'S loves playing with water. He really, really loves playing with water. So this is the Splash and Smile Play Pool. And it's for 2 plus, but I think he can actually do well with it. But yeah, Jerrick is going to love this. Like, yeah, he loves water, so this is something he's going to like play with every day, and I love it. So like, at least I can join too. Guys, the funniest thing is that everybody has his own gift. Like, I also got my gift too. Why won't I? There are more books for him to read. All I need is love. More books, because we are grooming a scholar. So more books. This video is too long for me. Oh Jesus, what else? So there is this card. Inside. It says, hey, I hope you can see this. Yeah, first birthday, and it was Teddy. Teddy bear. Yeah, I love teddy bear. I don't know. Oh, guys, it has this handwritten note. Let me read it. To Jerrick, oh, his birthday, we thank God for your life. You have brought joy and happiness to the whole family. May you continue to grow in strength and wisdom. May you continue to be a source of joy to your parents and to the family. God bless you. Sending love and hugs on your very first birthday. We love you a lot. Auntie Dami and Uncle Ife. Jerrick loves you too. You know that, right? Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yeah, this is actually from Mama too as well, and I'll just rip this off. Okay. Oh, this is so cute. Projector flashlight. I think it's going to need battery, so I'm so sure about that. yeah, we have this. So guys, I had to stop the video. I don't know because I climbed the staircase as I'm sounding like this. I had to stop the video because my like somebody was outside, so I had to now open the gate for anyways, where are we? So have I showed you this? Yeah, you got this. I think I'll just pick a few of this because I'm traveling today too. You got this as well. After that, to open a toy shop. You got this too. Yeah, this is like DIY game. Everything, most of the toys here are just for upward, 3 upward. You got this too. And this is from Priscilla. Yeah, and it's so cute, guys. Look at it. Priscilla actually wanted a baby girl till now, so but thank God we have a baby boy. Yeah, but anyways, guys, yeah, I got this. Yeah, from Priscilla. Thank you, Auntie Priscilla. Jerrick'S, grateful. Thank you. I love this. It's going to wear this to church. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, I think this is the last time, and I think this is from Debola and Taiwo. I think so. This is so cute as well. Yeah. This is the and that's yeah. So you got this too, guys. This is nice. Something they can use to line. Yeah, it's also like a puzzle. Like their scholar, they want their scholars to be sure you get. And thank you so much for the money. Like so many people sent me money. Like yeah, the cash, the transfer. I don't know why people keep calling me when I'm recording. Why are you calling me? I'm making a video. I got like thank you so much for everything. Like we are so grateful. Jerrick is happy. He had the best birthday ever. And thank you so much for the support. Thanks for your love. Thanks for the calls. Thanks so much for everything, guys. We really appreciate. Thanks for this gift. Like guys, this is a lot of gifts. Yeah, thank you so much, guys. Yeah, so I need to go and look like somebody. I don't even know where I'm tying scarf. I need to go and look like somebody now. Oh gosh, I think I have to end this video now, guys. I'll just go and freshen up and I'll be back.